Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Solana from your Ledger Nano X to your Revolut account in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this guide will keep things simple, secure, and straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you'll appreciate the step-by-step breakdown to make this transfer hassle-free. First off, why use Ledger Nano X? It's a hardware wallet that keeps your assets safe from online threats, which is crucial in the crypto world. Before we dive in, ensure you have your Ledger Nano X set up, the Solana app installed on it, and your Revolut account ready to receive crypto. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the Solana app on the device to access your wallet. Step 2. Launch a compatible interface like Ledger Live or another Solana-supported wallet on your computer. This will allow you to view your Solana balance. Step 3. In the wallet interface, select the Send or Transfer option for Solana. You'll need to paste the recipient address from your Revolut app. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember to account for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 5. Review the transaction details on your computer screen, then confirm it on your Ledger device by approving it with the on-screen prompts. This adds an extra layer of security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the Solana blockchain. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to confirm. This usually takes a minute or two, but it depends on network conditions. You can check the status using a blockchain explorer. Finally, head over to your Revolut app and verify that the Solana has arrived in your account. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Revolut support or double-check your steps. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify everything twice. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.